we walked right by the reception desk, and there was a rumble. In 1 second, second I looked up and saw things shaking, and in the third second, I said to myself, in the second, everything is, this is an earthquake. And third second, everything fell down on top of us, and the ceiling of the lobby just completely fell down, and it was cement beams and cement ceiling, and we were or concrete, and we're just totally entrapped. Uh, Five of us in that one 8 by 8 foot section, and the first words that I heard, "Oh, my legs are broken," said Sam. And Clint said, "My legs are broken too." And so we're asking how many, we asked how much, how other people were. And I said, "Well, I'm bleeding. Something hit me in the head. I'm bleeding, but I'm okay." And the others said that they were okay. And the dust is all around, and you couldn't see a thing. And we said, "Let's stay calm. We don't know how much oxygen air we have."